Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Xexec Deutsche Bank account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in db.com and click on enter. Now you can accept or deny the cookies here. After that, click on client logins here. Then select which online banking you are going to log into. Then a new window will appear where you can type in your information here. Now type in the branch number and your account number, and then type a sub account number which is of 2 digits, and then type your 5-digit PIN here. Then you can select where do you want to get directly logged in. Then click on execute login button to log into your Deutsche Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.